So if you're watching this video, I'm sure you're familiar with Minn Kota iPilot. iPilot has been around since 2007, and it's Minn Kota's version of GPS for their trolling motors. So now in 2024, there's a new version out called Advanced GPS. And in this video, I'm going to clear up the confusion by going over all the differences and features, and at the end of the video, I'll give you my opinion on the pros and cons. So over the years, there's been a couple of different versions of iPilot. You've had the iPilot Legacy that was around from 2007 to 2016, and you had the iPilot Bluetooth that was around from 2017 to 2023. There was also the upgraded iPilot Link version that would give you some additional features and also allow you to connect your trolling motor to your Humminbird fish finder. For this comparison though, we're just going to be comparing the iPilot and iPilot Link Bluetooth models that started in 2017. For iPilot, you could get this on models like the PowerDrive, Tarova, Ultrex, Altera, and the Riptide saltwater versions of these motors. On iPilot Link, you could get it on all the same models excluding the PowerDrive and the Riptide PowerDrive. Now for Advanced GPS, you can get it equipped on all of these models. As for the controller, visually they look about the same. The brains of the GPS is still built into the top cover, and the new Advanced GPS controllers have two wires similar to an iPilot Link controller. There's one wire that will connect to your control board and a second Ethernet wire for connecting to a Humminbird fish finder. Now Minn Kota also claims that Advanced GPS has updated hardware and software algorithms that will provide you with a more accurate spot lock. As for the remotes, with iPilot, the remote features a 1.75-inch LCD screen and a button keypad. With iPilot Link, the remote features a 3-inch color touchscreen along with a button keypad. With Advanced GPS, the remote features a little bit smaller 2.1-inch LCD screen along with a button keypad with 4 programmable one-boat network buttons. And lastly, there is the micro remote, which is compatible with all 3. This remote is a simplified and compact option that does not have a screen. Now for the differences in the features. Some of the features you'd get with iPilot are spot lock, autopilot, cruise control, eye tracks, and more. With iPilot Link, you would get all of these along with several others, including circle mode, backtrack, and of course Humminbird integration. With Advanced GPS, you get all of the same features that are included with iPilot Link, along with a few brand new features. You'll get drift mode, which works like a drift sock to maintain your desired speed, dodge mode, which allows you to leave auto navigation mode to manually steer around an object and resume where you left off. Also with Advanced GPS, your motor can now be operated through the One Boat Network app, allowing you to use your phone to control all of your Minn Kota and Humminbird devices on one screen. So to recap, Advanced GPS combines iPilot and iPilot Link into one system. It's basically just iPilot Link with a different remote and a few new features. It's great for someone who wants to connect to a Humminbird fish finder and utilize all these features, and may save you a couple of bucks depending on the model. But for the angler who doesn't care about all these features and only cares about the basics like spot lock, it may cost you a couple $100 more for features that you won't use. So I hope you guys got something out of this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe. And as always, keep trolling.